If you watch until the end of this video, you'll discover how Jesus himself taught us to pray, how to grow closer to God through fasting, and how to live a life fully devoted to Him. These are not just ideas, they are powerful teachings straight from Jesus that can transform your prayer life and your relationship with God. So stay with me, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to pray the way Jesus did. Prayer is one of the most powerful things a believer can do, yet many struggle with how to pray or whether God is even listening. But Jesus didn't leave us without guidance. He taught us exactly how to pray and how to seek God in a way that brings real results. In Matthew 6 verses 9 to 13, Jesus gave us the Lord's Prayer as a model, saying, "This, then, is how you should pray." He showed us that prayer isn't about empty words or long speeches, but about coming before God with sincerity, worship, and trust. Jesus also taught that prayer is not just asking for things, it's about spending time with God. Matthew 6 verse 6 says, "But when you pray, go into your room, close the door and pray to your Father, who is unseen. Then your Father, who sees what is done in secret, will reward you." This means prayer is about intimacy with God, not about showing off in front of others. But prayer isn't the only way to grow spiritually. Jesus also taught about fasting. In Matthew 6 verse 16, he said, "When you fast, do not look somber as the hypocrites do, for they disfigure their faces to show others they are fasting." Notice that Jesus didn't say if you fast, but when, meaning fasting should be a regular part of a believer's life. Fasting, combined with prayer, draws us closer to God and helps us focus on His will rather than our own desires. Jesus also emphasized that our prayers should align with God's will. In John 15 verse 7, he said, "If you remain in me and my words remain in you, ask whatever you wish, and it will be done for you." This doesn't mean we get everything we want, but when we truly seek God and align with His purpose, He answers in ways that are best for us. If you want a stronger prayer life, follow the example of Jesus. Pray in secret, seek God's will, fast regularly, and live a life fully devoted to Him. Make prayer a daily habit, not just something you do in emergencies. And most importantly, trust that God hears and answers. If this message blessed you, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Let's grow together in faith and follow Jesus' teachings every day.